Hello, everyone. This is Team Aaron here. Um, Welcome back to another video. So, I'm supposed to be oh no, not really. I was supposed to be meeting up with my mom and sister yesterday. No, tomorrow. So I spent one of my mom's best friends died. And the funeral is either tomorrow or Friday. So yeah. So yeah. So that's the latest. And another thing is is I really don't know. I don't even know why I'm making this video. But if you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and every time I upload, you'll be notified of my upload. So yeah, there's a thing I want to do, and I'll be doing it next month. So if you're in Edmonton, there'll be signs up in Edmonton that I'm going to be doing a awesome garage sale with some of my art and maybe even some other products or some other things on song that I really don't give a shit anymore about. And yeah, so peace. Oh, one more thing. Lilton Ball, you saw